Below is a creative short story that faithfully weaves together the core themes, key points, and lessons from the legend of the Rainbow Warriors as retold by Stephen McFadden. Unity across cultures, ecological responsibility, spiritual awakening, and action through compassion. The day the colors returned when the earth grew tired, she did not cry out in thunder. She whispered. Rivers slowed, forests thinned, animals vanished one by one. The elders said the world was sick, not just in body, but in spirit. People had forgotten how to listen. In the age of forgetting, a child named Asha noticed something strange. Wherever she walked with care, picking up trash, planting seeds, helping strangers, the ground felt warmer, as if breathing again. She did not know it then, but she had begun to awaken. Across the planet, others were waking too. A fisherman who stopped taking more than he needed. A scientist who chose truth over profit. A grandmother who taught children the old stories. A city worker who turned rooftops into gardens. They did not know one another, yet each felt the same quiet pull. The elders' prophecy spoke of this time. When the earth is ravaged and the animals are dying, people of all colors, creeds, and cultures will rise not as conquerors, but as healers. They were not warriors with weapons. They were warriors of responsibility. One night, as fires burned in one land and floods swallowed another, Asha dreamed of a rainbow stretching across the sky, not painted by rain, but by people. Each color was different, yet together they formed something whole. When she awoke, she understood. The earth would not be saved by waiting. She would be saved by remembering. Remembering that all life is connected. That taking without giving is a broken path. That wisdom lives in ancient traditions, but action belongs to the present. That small acts done with love ripple outward as more people chose care over convenience. Sharing over hoarding, honesty over fear, something shifted. Communities rebuilt, waters cleared. Children learned not just how to survive, but how to belong. The Rainbow Warriors never gathered in one place. They did not need to. They were everywhere, and slowly, quietly, the earth began to heal not because she was rescued, but because humanity finally chose to stand with her. The lesson was simple and eternal. The prophecy is not about who will save the world. It is about who will become worthy of it. Core lessons embedded in the story. Environmental destruction is a spiritual and moral crisis. Not just a physical one, unity across cultures is essential for planetary healing, ordinary people, through conscious choices. Become the Rainbow Warriors. Indigenous wisdom and modern action must work together. Change begins with responsibility, compassion, and daily deeds.